Today, I'm gonna make 2 dollhouses. Make yourself at home. Wow, it's beautiful here. Let's start with the walls. But still, not quite enough for a star like me. Good thing I've got something special. Glitter glue. Let's give this star a bit more sparkle. Then fill it in with glue. Now comes the glitter. I want a gradient effect. But I want even more sparkle, so I'm adding rhinestones around the star. Looks amazing! Now I'll stick it onto the main wall. I'll cover the side walls with foil-like material. It's perfect! Ooh, it's so sparkly. That's more like it. Take a picture of me, Crafty Lou. Of course! Oh wow, you are a real star, Gazelle! Your house is almost ready. I'll use fluffy fur for the edges and add spikes to the top. Very bold. We're not done yet. I love all kinds of chains. Let's hang this one right here. Love it. I'll hang this chain and others from the ceiling. What do you think? Awesome. I feel like a real star on stage.
Go, go, go! We're on the dance floor. Raise your hands up.
What a performance! You are amazing! Someone stole my carrots. All the pots are knocked over and the carrots are gone. What should I do?
Oh no!
You'll need a magnifying glass and a brush. Time to follow the clues. Okay, I'm ready to investigate. I see footprints. I'm on the trail. I'll find you. While Judy's busy, I'll make her a surprise. I'll draw a carrot shape on cardboard with a black marker and cut it out. I'm trimming orange fur with a little extra for overlap and making small cuts around the edges. I'll glue the fabric around the cardboard. Now I've got a base. Next, I'll cut some foil to match the mirror shape and stick it on top. A bit of green. I'll place the mirror right here. Let's tidy up. That's better. A bit of magic and the carrots are back. Crafty Lou, I couldn't find my carrots. Judy, look, I made you a surprise. Wow, thank you. This is so cool. I look great. Now I'm gonna make funny faces. Let's set you up with a vanity and chair. Time to organize the accessories. Wow, so many. And a bouquet of flowers, too. Thanks, Crafty Lou.
Wow!
It's so cozy in here now. I can finally get myself ready. Delivery! Oh, wow, what a surprise. What's inside? Let's see what you got.
Huh?
Is that a stuffed toy? What am I supposed to do with it? I can turn it into a cool couch.
Oh, okay.
First, I need to stuff it with something soft. I'll use polyfill. Perfect. To keep its shape, I'll sew the arms in place. I'll do one side, then the other. Looks good, but the style doesn't quite match, so I'll cover the seat with some purple faux fur. Let's add some spikes on top, decorate the back with chains, and throw on a few pillows. Now let's place the couch in Gazelle's house. Wow, what a couch!
Woohoo!
And so soft.
Phew.
Let's add a table, flowers, and the final touch, a poster. Oh yeah, I look like a total superstar. But this poster is missing my autograph. Much better. My fans love me so much. Look at all these gifts and flowers. So pretty. I want to open this gift. Wow, new shoes.
Woohoo!
Such beautiful flowers. And they smell amazing. What's inside? Let's take a look. What? Cabbage? Haha, what a funny joke. But where am I supposed to keep all this? I've got a box with sturdy cardboard. I'll cut 5 identical strips. Then I'll fold each strip in the middle. I'll add hot glue to the ends and glue them together. Now I've got a star shape. I'll add some shelves inside. First shelf goes here, and I'll add the rest. Let's paint it silver. I'm applying a thick coat so it's not patchy. Shelf is done. Let's place it in this corner. Wow, a shelf fit for a real star. We'll put your shoes here, perfumes there, and of course, flowers. Awesome, it all fits. Thank you, Crafty Lou.
Whee!
Wow, look at all my fans. They're sending me so many likes. Give a like if you already love my room. And now let's head over to Judy's. Let's make a bed for Judy. I'm gluing 3 sponges together, then wrapping them in pink fur. Gotta cover the sides too. Now for the canopy. I'm sliding rainbow tulle onto a stand. For pillows, I'm using a fluffy pencil case. Add cute bows. One more bunny pillow for the bed. Judy's bed is ready. Judy, wake up. I made you a bed. Wow, it's so beautiful. Thank you, Crafty Lou. I'm so ready to try it. So soft and comfy.
A bird just sang a melody. Was it written just for me?
Wow.
Or am I just
Huh? What? Crafty Lou, I just came up with an amazing track, but I need a studio. All right, let's make a microphone for Gazelle. I'll paint a straw silver and cut it in half. I'll glue a star to one end, then attach the other half of the straw on top and fix it to the base. Let's add some rhinestones on the base and the star too. Now I'm cutting the ends off a cotton swab, adding a white bead and wrapping rhinestones around the mic. I'll paint the mic head silver. Looking great. Let's put it on a stand. It's beautiful. Now for the headphones. Take a disco ball.
Wow.
I'll use some air dry clay, roll a small ball, and press it onto the half sphere. It needs a little shaping. Now I need a headband. I'm bending some wire into the shape of a headband and attaching the earpieces. Needs more sparkle. Voila! Sparkly, stylish headphones for a Gazelle. A full studio set. Let's deliver it quickly before Gazelle loses her inspiration. She'll also need a synthesizer. Let's add a disco ball for a party vibe. And some cool lighting, too. Wow, this is amazing!
Whee!
These headphones are awesome.
turn the volume up, up, up. Feel the beat drop, 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 drop. She's got that magic touch, magic touch, magic touch.
Gazelle, your voice is incredible. Just wow. Thank you, thank you.
Good job.
Yay! Goodbye. Up, up, up. Feel the beat drop, drop.
Want to check out my house? Of course! This is my chill area, and this is my studio. Oh my, awesome place! Woohoo! You have a sofa and a disco ball.
Wow.
Now let's come to my place. Sure, let's go. Hey, Lou, can you make something fun for us? No problem. Thank you. Let's make a console. I'll trace the shape of a phone on cardboard and cut out 2 pieces, full and one with a screen opening. Then I'll cut lots of thin strips, glue them together, and add to the base. Cover it with the second part. I want to add fluffy fur on all sides. Here's the frame. I'll slide it on the phone and hang the screen on the wall. Let's add some fluffy pillows and game controllers. Come on in, Gazelle. Look, take a seat.
Oh my.
Welcome to my cozy room. What do you think of my house? It's super cute and cozy. I love it. Come sit with me, Gazelle. Let's play a game. Awesome. I'm coming.
Woohoo!
This game is so much fun. I love it. Whoa, Judy, where am I supposed to go? Over here. Go this way.
Oh, okay.
Getting sleepy. Gazelle falls asleep. Looks like it's time for her to head home. And Judy needs to rest too. I'll lay her in her bed. Here's her carrot pillow. And Gazelle goes on the couch. Pick the fabric. I want yellow. Great, I'll take measurements. Now I spread out the fabric, place the bodysuit pattern on it, trace the 2 pieces with a marker, and cut them out. It's time to sew them together. I sew the 2 parts and try it on Judy.
Wow.
Perfect. I'll make the skirt from yellow faux fur fabric. I place the pattern on the inside, trace it again with a marker, and cut it out.
Yay!
I join the 2 pieces into a luxurious skirt. Add a fluffy flower, I sprinkled gold glitter, add a chain to the waist. And Judy's outfit is ready.
Yay!
Judy, you are so
Wow.
beautiful. Thank you, Gazelle. Will I get a fluffy outfit too? Let's add a fluffy purple skirt over your leggings, fluffy leg warmers in the same color. Looks great. Gazelle, your new outfit looks so good on you. Thank you. Which look did you like more? Write in the comments. Gazelle, look at this cool airplane.
Hey.
Welcome aboard. Here are your seats, please. What? What's up with her?
Huh?
I don't get it either. I'm your fan. Can I have an autograph?
Yay.
Wow, awesome. Here you go, Judy. Can I get a selfie too? And one from this side. And one more. Great. Oh, wait, these seats aren't good for you. Here you go. VIP seats for real stars. Have a seat. Very comfortable. So soft. The table will come in handy. Let's put some more flowers. And here's your lunch, pastries and coffee. And add a fluffy rug. Delicious. Chill. Fasten your seatbelts, we're taking off.
Wow, what a wonderful plane.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, guys, show me your tickets.
We're stars. What difference does it make?
Please show me your tickets.
Here, recognize us? We're celebrities, actually.
Yes. Let me see.
Hmm?
You don't really look like them. She doesn't believe us. Sorry, but your seats are over there. Welcome aboard our cardboard plane. Take a seat.
Oh.
How are we supposed to fly if the seats are ruining? Oh, what am I supposed to do? I recognized you, so I'll make business class seats for you. I will need cardboard blanks. I start with 2 square ones. I apply hot glue to one edge and attach the backrest at an angle and glue them onto other blanks. I ended up with 2 identical sides with armrests. I create a pull-out button and add some softness. Now my favorite part. I color the number 2, then move on to the word Zootopia. Next, I paint the cushion. I'll add some Zootopia themed cutout the drawings I like and glue them onto the seats. I like it. Presenting to you the great VIP chairs.
Wow.
Here you go, guys. A cozy table, flowers, and a tape recorder.
Wow, cool.
Wow.
Thanks.
Nice, so comfortable.
Hey, you can't do that. There's a special pull-out footrest for your feet.
Now that's what I call good conditions.
There's even a massage. Look what else I have for you. Put on these slippers to be more comfortable.
Chill.
The boys fell asleep. We need to cover them with blankets, like this. Oh, I can't fall asleep. I'm comfortable. Maybe like this? What is this? Oops. Oh, I'm so tired. Girls, I brought your neck travel pillows. Here you
Wow.
go. And some sleep masks, too. Oh, looks like they're sleeping. Shh. What's that? Food? Can we have something to eat? You were sleeping so sweet on our menu. Ah! Oh no, our food! Oops, sorry girls. Don't worry, I'll figure out something. I have chenille wire in different colors. I coil it, spread glue on top, and stick a circle of orange paper on it. I fold the paper inward, forming a cone for ice cream. And another one. I'll make the ice cream itself out of pom-poms. Now I'll decorate them with clay fruit slices. Look at the delicious looking ice cream we made. Wow! Take the order. Girls, here's your ice cream. Wow, it looks so tasty. Delicious. Phew, I ate so much. Me too. Ate it all. Oh, I slept so sweetly. You didn't see that. Nick, wake up.
What's going on? Let me sleep.
Do you know if we still have a long flight?
How would I know? Ask someone else.
Boring. What do I do? Are we there yet?
No.
Now?
No.
Well, now?
No.
How much longer? I don't know. Landed?
Don't know. Ugh, how can you keep bothering everyone? Huh? Got an idea. Look what kind of ball I made. Let's play.
Awesome. Let's go. Hit it. Woohoo! Help! Everyone stay in your seats. I have an idea. We insert the phone into the case with a cutout for the screen. This will be our console. Now we take cardboard and start drawing game pads with a pencil. We drew 4 parts. Trace around a small glitter jar to make a circle. We cut out each piece. After cutting out all the pieces, we connect the joysticks in pairs. We color each one to make them look real with speakers and buttons. After that, we add colors using markers. We add the joysticks. We got cool game pads. Glue a folded strip of corrugated cardboard around the edges to give it volume. I paint the console. and add the Zootopia logo. Everything works! Yay! Hey guys, I have something more interesting to do.
It's a game console.
This one's mine.
I'm gonna beat you.
This is awesome. Great, high five!
Thank you, Crafty Lou. You saved me.
Always happy to help.
We'll be landing soon.
Great, we're just in time.
There is a problem. Look.
Oh no, what am I going to do? How will I shine on stage?
Don't panic. Did you forget we have a VIP plane? Oh, but where's the shower? Crafty Lou, help.
Easy. I will need a plastic tub. I cover the outside with a half purple and a half yellow fur. Then I take blue chenille wire, bend it in a wave shape. I glue it to the rim and decorate with purple and yellow pom-poms. I will cover the headboard with fluffy pink fabric. Time to make the faucet. I take thick fluffy wire, bend it into a faucet shape, cover it with purple fur. I put it on the tub and add handles made of pom-poms. I fill the tub with hollow fiber and sprinkle blue pom-poms on top. It turned out to be a shower fit for a VIP airplane. I'll add flowers and a big mirror, as well as a bath mat and toiletries. Wow, just look, Judy.
Yay!
I'm jumping in. So fun.
Relaxation.
Let's lather your hands, wash your hair,
Wow.
wash your faces. Girls, stand under the shower.
Such warm water.
We need to rinse the foam off the horn. Moisturizing masks. You really have a spa here. Time to finish up. No, I don't want to.
I'm ready. I feel great.
Me too. You are real beauties.
Wow.
We're landing soon.
We're ready.
Guys, wake up. We're landing soon. Hey, Nick, get up.
What?
Landing soon.
Oh, but we're not ready at all.
Let me help you get ready. So who's first? Nick, let's start with you. Oh my gosh, you're such a cutie. Hey, what did she do to us?
No, we can't go out like this. Quiet, quiet. We'll fix everything now. I know what to do. Let's take off that girly makeup. Voila. A little combing. And you too. We also need to change out of the pajamas. Let's take measurements. Yours too, Harry. I'll need some craft paper. I'm placing a cardboard blazer pattern on it. Drawing 2 pieces. Now I take markers and color them. One will be pink and the other yellow. Time to cut out. I cut out each piece. Let's try them on the boys. Perfect. We just need to cover the bare torsos. I'll do that with 2 paper pieces painted white. I draw a black line down the middle and buttons. Looks like a shirt. Adding a collar to the blazer and a bow tie to the shirt.
Wow.
Pants are left. You look fabulous, guys. But the slippers don't fit. Let's replace them with dress shoes. Now you're ready. Thanks, Crafty Lou. We're off. We're ready for landing.
Wow, you're so handsome. I recognized you.
Seriously? I thought you'd never guess.
I'm about to faint from your beauty. Ah, take care of yourself.
Finally, we're here. Woohoo!
Judy Gazelle, we love you. You're awesome. Yay!
Thank you. How did you achieve such success? Hey, let us through. We need to be there too.
Stop! Who are you?
Oh, we're celebrities. Harry, show them.
Sorry, you're not on the guest list. Please go over there.
Oh, hi guys. They're with us.
All right, you can go through.
Well, thanks.
Smile.
You walk into the room and everything shifts. The way you move your feet, something clicks.
Write in the comments which trip you liked more, a furry one or a cardboard one. Bye-bye.